In this video, we are going to be installing the Python PyCharm on Kali Linux. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and go to google.com and type download PyCharm Community Edition and press enter. Click on the first link, jetbrains.com/pycharm/download is the official URL. When you're on this page, select Linux and you have two versions, either to download the PyCharm for the professional version, and if you scroll down, you will see the community edition. We will be going for the community edition because it is completely free. So click on download and your download will begin. Wait for the download to get completed. When the downloading has been completed, I will open the folder that my file got downloaded on. I can confirm this is the file that just got downloaded into the downloads directory. In this directory, I will right click and click on open terminal here. And the first thing we're going to do is extract this file. So type the command sudo space tar space dash xvzf space the name of the file pycharm. You can use tab to autocomplete and then press enter. Type in the password for your user. And I can confirm this is the directory that just got extracted. I will go inside this directory. I will go inside the directory bin. In this directory, I can see that I have a file called pycharm.sh. We have to execute this file. So I will open my terminal once again. And if I do ls, I can see the directory that has been extracted. So I will change to this directory. And if I give ls again, I can see the bin folder. I will go inside the bin folder. And from here, if I do ls again, I can see the file pycharm.sh. I will type the command sudo space dot forward slash pycharm.sh and press enter. I will click on I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of this user agreement and then click on continue. I will click don't send and I can now confirm my PyCharm has been installed and started successfully. I'll just do one more thing. In the bottom left corner, I will click options menu and then click on create desktop entry and select create the entry for all users and then click on OK. And I can now quit everything. And if I click on the Kali button here and type PyCharm, I can see this is the icon. If I click on it, I can confirm my PyCharm has started successfully. So that is how you install PyCharm on Kali Linux. If you want to watch more content related to Kali Linux, please subscribe to the channel. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.